Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to make your own diffuser blend. So a diffuser blend or a diffuser balm is basically using what you would use to put in your diffuser, what you like to blend to mix with, just blending it all in a bottle, and so you already have it ready to go each time you want to diffuse that blend. Before we get started though, I wanted to remind you that Simply Earth has this advent calendar and it's so cute. It's 12 days of Christmas. It has 12 different drawers and 12 different essential oils in each drawer. So I will put the link to shop down below. I think I have a code to go with it too, but if you love essential oils, which you probably do if you're watching this, you will love this box, so make sure you go check it out. But anyways, so the things that you'll need are the oils that you need to make your diffuser blend, which I was just looking up different holiday blends, and I wanted to make something different that I don't already have. This one is called Warm Embrace. It's vanilla, bergamot, and frankincense. So I'll show you the essential oils that I'm using. This one is Simply Earth frankincense. And then I have Simply Earth bergamot. Use whatever brands you like and are comfortable with using. I happen to have Young Living's vanilla still, so I'm going to use this. We're phasing out of Young Living. That's why I said happen to have. Oh, it smells really good. So I need to find a new vanilla. Young Living is just too expensive for us, but you also need a bottle, which a bunch of these come in your, when you first sign up with Simply Earth, they send you a box of a bunch of these empty bottles. You can also just get them on Amazon and then a label maker. And this one also, it's like under 20 on Amazon, but I really want one of the ones that punch out the numbers and letters. So whatever kind of label maker you prefer. And that is it for this one. We're not diluting the essential oils since we're just making up a blend to put in the diffuser. So if you want to use this blend topically, make sure you dilute it before you put it on your skin. So I'm just gonna make a quick label. So I have my labels on here. You can label it however you want. You can even, like, after you're done, write the amount of drops per essential oil that you put in the blend, but labeling it is super important because I'm always like, oh, I'll remember it, or I'll be able to smell it and know what's in it and know. Another tip before you get started is to have the blend like this. Take the lid off of each one and hold them up together, up to your nose, and get a good whiff. First, to smell to see if you're gonna like the blend. Ooh, that's like magical. That smells so, so good. That is so balanced and warm and sweet. The next thing that I was gonna say is pick out what essential oil you smell first or the most strong. And to me, I think it's frankincense. After experience in doing this, you'll find and just know like which essential oil has the stronger aroma. So use the least amount of drops of the one that you smell and pick up first. And then these ones are pretty equal, maybe vanilla. So I might do a little bit less vanilla than bergamot, and bergamot is going to be the essential oil that I use the most of. So that's kind of how you formulate your blend too, in like more of an aromatherapy type of way. So this will just have the lid on it lightly. So you just take off the lid. It has that orificer, can never pronounce, the reducer, whatever you want to call this piece, just take that out. This is a 5 ml bottle, and so I'm kind of just gonna base off of maybe 20 drops each and then use more of the ones. So maybe like 30 of bergamot. So I'm gonna add the drops into the empty bottle. Whoops. And luckily bergamot is a fairly like thin essential oil, so that went pretty quick. I think vanilla is a little thicker, so this might take a minute. But I'm just gonna do, I think, probably 20 drops of vanilla, and I might need to get a dropper if this takes too long. I did a whole video on vanilla, I think a couple of years ago now, but it's not technically an essential oil. It's an oleo resin or a CO2 extract or an absolute. I forget which one, but they're not like scientifically or specifically essential oil. So if you want to know more about that, I'll link that video down below. But vanilla is super, like, it smells so good. I'm really glad that more brands are coming out with vanilla because it adds just such a warm and sweet note to different blends and perfumes. I actually use it quite a bit. I think I finally squeezed 20 drops of vanilla. Then I'm gonna do like 15 drops of frankincense. And then you can seal up your bottle and give it a swirl or a shake. Make sure you're blending it really well to get them all mixed in together. And then also when you're making a blend like this or making your own perfume, give it a day or 3 days, even maybe even a whole week to kind of marinate together, because it's not going to be its exact scent until it does fully blend together, and that takes a few days. So specifically, if you're making a perfume and you don't think it's strong enough the first day, just give it some time before you add more to it. And this smells so good. This is going to be great for like having guests over because it's not super powerful, but it's calming and sweet and warm. It smells so, so good. And then the bergamot gives it like that sweet and uplifting citrus, and that's not focusing, so that's fine. Okay, so I think that's it. So in this blog post, I have some just different tips and things, and then I have a couple of different blends for different types of things you have going on, like relaxing, energizing, focus, holiday, different drops ratios for different diffusers. And then also our favorite essential oil brands will be linked there too. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Don't forget to check out this advent calendar by Simply Earth. The link will be down below. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.